How to add income on Spendee. Are you guys facing issues to add income on your Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for wallet icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, tap on your wallet name. Now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this plus icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see this option income and expenses. You are looking to add income, right? Tap on income. Now select the income according to your preference. If your income is from salary, tap on salary and enter the amount. After you enter it, click on add transactions and your income will be added. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna add income on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.